So welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, wala lang, nag-video lang talaga kami.
Bag raid daw, bag raid.
Natuloy yung collab naming dalawa. So
Collab pero bag raid. So ginago.
collab from your favorite YouTuber.
Bag raid na girl.
Okay, mag-grade.
Nagmamadali.
First
Iwan
is
kita ng bag ko. So this is my bag. Wow! Arte-arte! Wait lang, ano niyo?
Ay.
Cross. So,
Okay.
so this is my bag. Charon. Ito,
Okay,
my
bag
keychain. From Singapore. May Thailand pa dito, pero nawala na.
Nawala.
So, first is... Ay! My bad things. Bad things!
Bawal po yung bata.
My bad things, don't na lang. Don't na lang. Ito, pepper spray.
Ayan.
Pepper spray. For my safety.
For protection.
Then, we have, of course, AirPods.
Ayan.
And then, malagwag ng mga bad.
Ready siya, guys.
Then,
Traveler.
eye drops. Eye drops for my eyes. Mga naman for my ears. And then,
And then,
plastic. Wala lang.
just eme lang.
Eme lang. And then, grabe ka bag na mo na.
And
Grabe
then,
pala yung-
efficacent oil.
Then, oil for pain. For
Pain?
pain.
Rate your
Efficacent
pain.
for pain. Then, let's go to the second portion. We have, of course, Miss J perfume.
Wow! Supportive!
Then we have
Dapat ipakita.
Miss J. Sige ko.
Yung bag.
Tira ako.
Na.
Tapos ang sunod.
And
Tapos,
then,
syempre, brush. Then we have, what's this? Protein shake for my dinner. Then, ikot mo yun. Grabe. Then we have PH girl.
Prepared talaga siya, guys, for traveler.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys.
Ayan.
Then, of course, underwear. May panty sa bag.
Siyempre.
Bakit may panty sa bag? Siyempre, tapos na. Wait lang, meron pa. Second layer pa lang yun. Pasensya na, guys, ha? Pasensya na, guys, ha?
Ayan, sa third layer.
Third
So, may
layer
layer
na
yung
tayo.
bag niya, guys.
Dala ko na yung bahay ko dito. Bahay. Siyempre, and then, yung
Ano na lang,
last.
partner na lang yung kulang.
Pupunta na. On the way. Siyempre, key sa, condo. Condo?
Wow!
500 pesos.
Oh. Wag pa pa-raffle kami, guys. Kung sino.
Uy! Grabe ka! Parapol! And then, si main bag. Uy, hello. May kimbap, guys.
Ayan.
Kimbap. Wag na.
Snack, mamaya.
Meron tayo. Kapag. Sige na.
The drawing, guys.
Yeah, Chef Jaren. Dalian.